Now we'll start question number 5th. In question number 5th also we have to make histogram. Given information is the following table give the lifetimes of 40 neon lamps. This is given lifetime in hours and number of lamps are given. We have to represent the given information graphically by taking the histogram while drawing the histogram. And in the second part they are asking how many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours. So in the first part we have to make histogram. This question is very easy. I'm telling the reason why it is easy, because this is in the continuous form. See here, upper class limit of the first interval and the lower class interval of the next interval both are same, so it means it is already in the continuous form. There is no need to make it in the continuous form, only we have to draw it. Okay, this is already in the continuous form, so we are making the histogram. See here, this is lifetime in hours, so we'll take these in x-axis, lifetime will take on x-axis, and number of lamps, these are dependent, so number of lamps will take on y-axis. Okay, we'll mention the scale also. On x-axis scale we have taken because this lifetime is in hour, so we'll write 1 unit is equal to 100 hours. See, the difference is of 100, width is of 100, so I have taken 1 unit is equal to 100 hours on y-axis, and similarly on the y-axis here all maximum value is here 86, so I have taken here lamps because lamps we are representing on y-axis. So we'll write down on y-axis 1 unit is equal to 10 lamps. Okay, because lamps are there, we'll write down here number of lamps. Therefore on y-axis 1 unit is equal to 10 lamps because lamps are there, and on x-axis here it is lifetime which is in hour, so we have to mention 1 unit is equal to 100 hours. Hours because here the unit is hours, gap is of 100, so 1 unit is equal to 100 hours. Here it is lamps, so y-axis 1 unit is equal to gap we have taken as 10. Okay, this is 90. Okay, this is 90. So these are lamps, these are hour. I think concept is clear. Now we are drawing the histogram. First class is of 300 to 400. Here I haven't made the kink, I had taken equal partition. We'll start from this class. First class is of 300 to 400 and the frequency is 14, so we have to make a rectangle or bar till 14, because here 1 unit is equal to 10 lamps, so each will represent 1. 10, 15 will be exactly between 10 to 20, okay, between these two, and 14 will lie just below this 15. Okay, will represent 14 over here. This is our first bar or first rectangle. Okay, 15 will lie exactly between and 14 will lie exactly one column, one line below this 15. Next is from 400 to 500, it is number of lamps are 56. So we'll find out how this 56 will lie, where this 56 will lie. This 400 to 500, 56. Between 50 to 60, 55 will lie, and exactly one line above this 55 will be 56. Okay, because gap is of 10 lamps. So each line of the partition of this graph will represent one lamp, because there are 10 equal partition, so each will represent one. This is exactly between, which is 55, one line above is 56. I think this is clear. Okay, next class is 500 to 600, it is 60. So we'll represent now the next class. Till 60 we have to represent. So we will draw next rectangle till 60. We'll draw the next rectangle till 60. We'll join. Because we are making histogram, so there is no gap. You can see there is no gap. Next is from 600 to 786. So next bar we have to make till 86. Between 80 to 90 will be 85, and exactly one line above is 86. Okay. Again we'll make next bar or next rectangle like this way till 86. Now next is 700 to 874. Again we'll make another bar till 74. 74 will lie exactly one line below. This is 75. This is our 74. Again we'll make the next bar. Next is 62. 800 to 900 is 62. We'll mark till 60. 1 and 2 line above is 62. We'll represent it with the help of bar. This is our 62. Next class is of 62. Last is from 900 to 1000 is 48. So we'll make next one till 48. Between this is 50, 2 lines below this 50 is 48. Okay, we'll make 48. We'll join like this way. This is our histogram. Okay, this is our histogram. In the first part they were asking represent the given information graphically while taking the histogram. Already here we made the histogram. In the second part they are asking how many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours. More than 700 you can see from here 1, 2 and 3 columns, or from here also you can check. More than 7 from here also you can check. More than 700 is 74 plus 62 plus 48. So we can write down more than, in the second part they are asking more than 700 hours. Number of lamps are 74 plus 62 plus 48. These are lamps. Okay, total number of lamps we can count here. We'll add them up and we'll find the value, and the answer will be, when we'll add all these, answer is coming as 184